Are some of your clients making a mistake? Is it the right time for them to be renovating their house? Do they have other parts of their life together? And I try to figure this out all the time. Is a renovation what they should be doing right now, or is it something they're using to distract themselves from some larger issue? And this is hard to get to the bottom of. And the question might be, should you? Is it your job to question whether they should be doing the project? And I believe it is. It's definitely your responsibility. You've been tasked with solving the problem, with finding solution to the challenges they're having. And as superficial as it might sound, when someone wants to redecorate their home, it's usually because of some greater motivation, something deeper. And they're trying to solve kind of this larger issue. But what is the issue? What are they really trying to solve? Is it just boredom? Is it, they want something cooler, something nicer, something they can show their friends? And if you have a potential client whose main goal is to impress their friends, you may need to kind of slowly back away and then turn around and run, because this is not the client you want. You want someone you can actually help, someone focused on how their home can enhance their life. And our homes are places we grow, places we become who we are. We decide our direction as individuals and as a family. And you need to focus on people that you can help with that. You focus on what problems they're having in their life, how the environment around them can create change. And if you're having a hard time digging deeper with your clients and figuring out what the real issues are, you should probably not work on the project. Don't spend your time and heart energy on a non-issue. You could be making more impact with other clients that need your help, your expertise. Focus on what's right for your client. How will you best serve them? And what is the underlying problem? How can architecture begin to resolve that issue?